Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Amitav Mukherjee, a digital coach dedicated to helping aspiring coaches and trainers to share their valuable skills and knowledge. Today, we are diving into a topic that's revolutionizing businesses and creating new opportunities: digital transformation. In this video, you will learn what digital transformation is, why it's crucial for modern businesses, and how you can leverage it to enhance your coaching and training business. Whether you are looking to provide more value to your customers or achieve personal fulfillment and financial freedom, this video has got you covered. So let's get started. Let's break down digital transformation into easy, actionable steps. Understanding the big picture will help you grasp the nuances of this powerful concept. Step number one: understanding digital transformation. First, what exactly is digital transformation? In essence, it is the process of integrating the digital technologies into every aspect of a business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to your customers. Now, consider Netflix. Originally, Netflix was a DVD rental service. Netflix embraced digital transformation by shifting to online streaming, completely revolutionizing how we consume entertainment. This move not only expanded their customer base, but also set a new industry standard. Step number two: key drivers of digital transformation. Several key factors are driving businesses towards digital transformation. These factors are evolving customer expectations, rapid technological advancement, intense competitive pressures, and the quest for operational efficiency. Now, take the case of Amazon. Their relentless focus on customer satisfaction has driven continuous innovation and adoption of cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, setting them apart in the competitive retail landscape. Step number three: steps to implement digital transformation. Now, let us understand these implementation steps through five different elements. Let's explore how you can implement digital transformation in your coaching or training business. And these are the five essential elements. Number one: assess your current state. Now, first of all, you need to evaluate your current digital capabilities and identify the areas for improvement. You need to do a gap assessment of your existing system. This involves a thorough analysis of your existing processes, technologies, and the customer interactions. Number two: clearly outline what you want to achieve with this digital transformation. Your vision should align with your business goals and your customer needs. Now, for instance, a coaching business might aim to enhance client engagement through personalized online training modules. Number three: develop a strategy. Create a detailed plan that includes specific goals, timelines, and resources. This strategic blueprint will guide your transformational journey. Number four: invest in technology. Identify and invest in the right technologies that align with your strategy. This could range from CRM systems and cloud solutions to artificial intelligence and data analytics. Now, Starbucks leverages data analytics to personalize customer experiences, driving customer loyalty and thus increasing their sales. And number five: train and engage your team. Ensure your team is equipped with the necessary skills and is fully on board with the transformation. Continuous training and open communications are the key. Microsoft digital transformation included reskilling their workforce to embrace cloud computing and AI technologies. Moving on to step number four: challenges and how to overcome them. Now, digital transformation isn't without any challenges. Common obstacles include resistance to the change, lack of expertise, and budget constraints. Now, to overcome this, communicate the benefits clearly to your team, provide comprehensive training, and start with small, manageable projects that can demonstrate quick wins. GE Digital faced initial resistance, but overcame it by fostering a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, leading to successful digital transformation. Recap: digital transformation is about leveraging technology to enhance your business operations and deliver a better value to your customers. Remember to assess your current state, define a clear vision, develop a strategic plan, invest in the right technologies, and engage your team throughout the process. Digital transformation is a continuous journey. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and don't be afraid to innovate. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more such insights on digital strategies. Thanks for watching the video and see you in my next video.